Hi everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a cleaning and organizing video for you guys. I am cleaning out my closet. I am postpartum 7 months, so it's time to get ready. I am 7 months postpartum now, so it's about time to get my maternity clothes out of my closet, and my closet has just become like a really big mess in general. So I love to kick off the Jewish New Year and the fall with a good, nice, cleaned out closet. So come along on my journey. I am so excited to film it for you guys. And let's jump in to the full, huge, major closet clean out. So this is the current state of my closet. It is a huge mess, like I don't even know. This all needs to be cleared out. I also keep all the boys' things that they've done at school and stuff like that in my closet, so I need to organize all that. I have clothes from when I was working full-time in an office that I'm not going to be using for a while, and like I said, a bunch of maternity clothes, so it all just needs to be cleared out. So I'm going to start with dresses because that's, I think, the easiest. Let's see how it goes. I'm going to take all of them off the hanger, put them all out, see what's going on. Okay, I just finished with my dresses and I'm really happy. I think I've made some good progress. So this pile is the ones I'm keeping. These are maternity dresses and pants going into storage. These are donate, and yeah, that's the pile. Okay, so now that the dresses are done, I'm going to move over to jackets and sweaters. And this is the current state of the piles: storage, giveaway, maternity, and baby! Hi, Corey. Okay, so the top row is done. It's a little thinned out, not too much to be honest, but those. And then my sweaters I really thinned out actually. I knew which ones I didn't wear last winter and I probably wasn't gonna wear again, so I was happy to give those away. They were in okay condition, so someone will benefit from them. Okay, so then I'm gonna call it a day for day one of the major closet clear out. I will be back for day two. Hopefully tomorrow we'll keep going on this project. It is day two of the major closet clear out. If you can't tell, things have gotten worse and not better, but so it goes when you're decluttering and organizing. Wish me luck as we dive in to day two of this process. So next up I'm going to tackle my pants. Normally they would be here, but they're not really here because they're just like all over the place. But I'm going to find them and tackle them and yeah, sort them out. This is a mess. So I didn't find any pants to donate, but I did at least sort them. So these are all my jeans. These are like Lululemon sweatpants, yoga pants. That's the yellow tiger in the background. And then these are shorts, stuff that can go away for the summer. And then this is maternity jeans, so those can be put away. And here are the shelves updated: jeans, sweatpants, and yoga pants. Okay, so moving along back to this side of the closet, I think I'm going to launch into these drawers, starting with this one, which is sweaters. That was an easy one. I just have a few winter sweaters and one maternity sweater that's going to go into storage. Now it's time to put back in the shelf. I don't like to fold my sweaters the Marie Kondo way. I know that's controversial, but I feel like I just don't have that many and I reach for them all the time and I just like them stacked flat. Controversial, I know. Okay, up next is, oh god, workout shirts and shorts and a random bra. Oh goodness. That wasn't too bad. I've got shorts, shirts that I'm keeping, and shirts to give away. And this drawer is all set. So I've got shirts here, shorts here, and that is done. This drawer, by the way, is underwear and bras, so I'm not going to go through that with you guys, but I'm going to move on to this catastrophe, which is usually t-shirts. So, oh my goodness, a lot to go through here. Okay, I didn't do the full recording of that because that took forever, but my piles are ready to go. Pile is staying in the drawer. These are giveaways, maternity. These are ones that belong in that athletic drawer that I just did, and these are 3 long sleeves that I think I'm gonna hang up. In my giveaway pile, I think it's gonna be 2 piles now. All right, and this drawer is basically empty now. I don't know where all my shirts have gone, but I think that's good progress. And now this little one is up from his nap, as you can see, so time to call it a day. I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Good afternoon, everybody. It is day 3 of my massive closet clean out, and today's the last day. I decided I'm getting it done today. As you can probably tell, it's not looking much better, but the parts that I have done are looking a lot better, and they're making me really happy, and it's already become easier to get dressed in the morning. So I am motivated to do this. It is a Sunday afternoon. My husband is home. He can watch any kids that wake up from nap times. I don't care if it takes me till the end of the day. I am doing this closet. I'm so happy you guys are here with me because you're going to make sure I get it done. All right, let's go. Okay, so we left off with this drawer being completed, and now I'm going to tackle the rest of this dresser. I have winter pajamas in here, shoes in here, PJs. I have PJs in a random fanny pack in here. This is socks, and down here is more shoes. Okay, let's do it. On to the next big project, the emotional project. I have so much of my kids, like special treasures, artworks, etc. And for some reason they live in my closet. I'm not sure if that's the best idea, but I've taken everything out. I don't know if I'm gonna actually tackle it today, but it's going out of the closet and it's gonna be in a pile somewhere else so I can like get my closet together. I'll show you guys what I'm working with. This area is now all cleared out, pretty much just sort through that little bit right there. And then this side is all cleared out as well, except for that one box, which I know is organized and good to go. That's actually stuff from like when I was little. So yeah, much, much better. But on my bed is where I've put all of the memorabilia, the treasures, all the artwork. I really need a better system. If you guys have tips and tricks, please let me know in the comments because I don't know what to do with all this. Hello everyone, and welcome to my cleaned out closet. Prepare for the singing of angels as I open this door on my clean closet. Come on in. So here we go. It's completely cleaned out. I feel like I'm ready for winter and the change of the seasons now. I can see what I've got and what I don't. All these drawers are organized. All my sweaters are ready to go. And I know now like what I don't have in terms of t-shirts, but it's so nice to have extra room and I really don't need more than that. My winter pajamas are all ready to go. Even my shoes are nicely organized. My pants and everything is just clean, nice and neat. And I have to show you guys the final piles. As you can see, my baby has been playing with these signs. I don't know why he became so obsessed with them and tearing them off the wall. So my storage and sell piles are right there. This is all giveaway, and that's my maternity, and that is the lot of it all gone and out of the closet now. It feels great. So yes, I have not tackled the emotional baggage of all my kids' stuff over there that I do need to sort through. Another video, another day. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for being here with me and keeping me company as I tackled this epic task of my closet clean out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!